Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be restoring my friend's neglected gaming computer. I think today is going to be a really fun video because you will see what kind of surprise that we have found when we disassembled the computer. So a little backstory on this computer. This computer was last opened and cleaned exactly 1 year ago when we upgraded the graphics card. On average, this computer was used for about 3 hours a day, and because of the recent stay-at-home guidance due to the human malware, this computer is acting as both personal and a work computer. So because of that, this computer is on about 15 hours a day for the last few weeks. Originally, we just wanted to flush the loop because the coolant was originally red, but now it turned clear. And that should have been the first red flag. And we were in for a surprise when we disassembled the computer, and you will see shortly how bad it was. Before cleaning up this computer, we did suspect that the CPU and GPU was running hot, perhaps even thermal throttling. We also suspected all of the components in this water loop was clogged to some degree. Before moving on to the montage, just giving you the rundown of the components that we have in this computer. This computer is powered by the Ryzen 2700X for the CPU and the NVIDIA 1080 Ti for the graphics card. Alright, with that out of the way, let's move on to the fun montage. Okay, before wrapping up, I want to mention the big difference that we have made after restoring this computer. So after restoring this computer, we ran one game to test the temperatures, and the good news is the temperature never rose above 61 degrees for the graphics card, whereas previously it was suspected to be running hot, perhaps even thermal throttling. So in conclusion, the moral of the story is, please maintain your computers, especially if you have a water-cooled computer. How often you clean up your computer depends on your use case and how often you use your computers and how long you use your computers. From my observations, I do recommend cleaning up your computers, getting rid of the dust, vacuuming the radiators every 6 months, and flushing the loop every year. Alright, that just about wraps up this video. Thank you very much for watching. So if you like what you see today, please like this video and leave a comment below. Also, if you want to see more things like this in the future, please subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.